cucumber. Look at that, guys. I think this is almost 1 kilo. And we will check the eggplant. Let's go. Ay, paparang.
Ito dako tiyo sa igbaw.
This is the one. This is so nice when you live in the province. You can harvest free vegetable.
Di mga gulay.
Tanad. Lauyon.
Di ay.
Murag tanay na tanawan na yung sayad sa yuta. Naglayo sa diya. Ito sa kan. Ang palaya.
Ada sa bunga.
Wow, amazing. Look at the eggplant. This is the eggplant that I order in Shopee. This is the result.
Wala matargamay.
Circle. Oh no, look at the bitter melon. No vegetable because it's getting older. She's older now, so no one vegetable. So yeah, it's okay, but before I already harvest this. But it's so sad. They did not live long time. And then the bell pepper is still younger. It's not ready to harvest. This is all I harvested, guys. This is the better when you live in the province or in the mountain, because you no need to buy in the market some of the veggies, because if you are hardworking, you can plant your own. Tcharam! I saved this. Yes, that's a flower. Picture ko.
pa.
Nice.